Good morning. We at Encardio are very conscious of our environment and our carbon footprint. In fact, I can say we're the only geotechnical manufacturer that has set up a solar plant to take care of all our electricity requirements at the production facility. We have set up a 60 kilowatt plant, and besides taking care of our requirements, we also contribute to the grid. Besides the electricity, we are very conscious of our water, both what we consume in our production units and what we consume personally. We have set up a rainwater harvesting facility at our factory, and we also monitor the water level online for the last 5 years. We work with the government of India, and we have set up over 3,000 boreholes which we monitor online for water, and very soon we will be setting up another 500. This year, we have also taken the task of planting over 2,500 trees in our vicinity. Have a great day. See you. Bye-bye.